What if I told you that the hypercar that defies physics, scoffs at speed limits, and makes a Bugatti Chiron look like a warm-up act? Meet the Koenigsegg Agera XS, the final evolution of a legend. With a 5.0L twin-turbo V8 that generates 1,600 horsepower and a top speed nudging 300 miles per hour. This isn't just a car, it's a middle finger to limitations. Only 10 units exist. No, you can't afford it. But today, you'll feel what it's like to own one. Stick around as we break down the engineering madness behind Koenigsegg's ultimate Agera. From its 3D printed titanium exhaust to the triplex active suspension that claws the earth like a panther. This is the hypercar redefined. But here's the kicker. The Agera XS isn't just about raw power. It's a 1,300 kilograms featherweight fighter, wrapped in a carbon fiber shell stronger than steel. It's a car that laughs at wind resistance with active aerodynamics that morph at 200 miles per hour. And yes, it's street legal, if your street is a NASA runway. So if you're ready to see how Koenigsegg outdid themselves, keep watching, because in the next 10 minutes, your dream garage will need a new crown jewel. Let's go. First, let's dissect the heart of this beast, Koenigsegg's dark matter V8. Forget horsepower. This engine produces 1,600 megawatts of fury, thanks to 3D printed turbos that spool faster than your brain can process. 0 to 250 miles per hour in 18 seconds, the XS doesn't accelerate, it teleports. But power is nothing without control. Enter the rocket catalyst gearbox. This 9-speed transmission shifts in 18 milliseconds, faster than a Ferrari's blink. And yes, it's patented, so don't ask for a copy. Even the exhaust is over-engineered. Titanium valves cooled by AI-driven airflow. Because why not? Now let's talk aerodynamics. The XS doesn't cut through air, it punches a hole in the atmosphere. At 150 miles per hour, the front flex channels lift into downforce. At 200 miles per hour, the rear wing unfolds like a stealth bomber's wing. Result? 1,500 kilograms of downforce, enough to drive upside down in a tunnel. Probably. Inside, the XS is a savant mix of luxury and menace. The seats are wrapped in diamond-quilted unicorn hide, but the dash runs on hollow drive OS. Think Iron Man meets Tesla. And yes, there's a spy mode button that dims all screens and kills exterior lights, for reasons. But Koenigsegg's real flex? The Aircore carbon wheels. Each rim weighs 6 kilograms, lighter than your gym water bottle, yet handles 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit brake heat. Mic drop. So, is this the ultimate hypercar? Let's just say if the Agera XS was a TikTok trend, everyone's trying and failing to duet. Driving modes. Now, let's talk about how the Agera XS transformed from a garage queen to a track predator with one twist of a dial. This isn't just a car, it's a shapeshifter. Meet Koenigsegg's 6 AI-driven driving modes. Mode 1, Track Slayer. The ECU remaps the engine for 1,800 horsepower overboost. Suspension stiffens to razor precision, and the exhaust valves go full uncorked. The rear wing tilts to a 15-degree attack angle, and the gearbox holds shifts until redline firework. Mode 2, Stealth Phantom. Tap this, and the XS becomes a ninja. Hybrid electric mode engages, muting the V8 to a whisper. The suspension lifts 2 inches to dodge potholes, and the AI scans road surfaces to soften bumps. Perfect for sneaking past cops or your HOA. Mode 3, Nordic Frost. For when you're a billionaire who winters in the Alps. 4WD plus traction control sends torque to the front axle. Tires heat automatically, and ABS goes paranoid. The exhaust even redirects warmth to the windshield, because Koenigsegg knows you'll still want to hit 150 mph on a glacier. Mode 4, Eco Ghost. Yes, Eco mode in a hypercar. It limits you to 800 horsepower, charges the hybrid battery, and even syncs with GPS to coast downhill. Pathetic? Maybe. Genius? Absolutely. Mode 5, Launch Valkyrie. Stomp the brake, floor the throttle, and watch the rocket catalyst system prime. The turbos pre-spool, suspension squats, and the rear tires superheat. Release the brake, and the XS hits 60 miles per hour in 1.9 seconds. Faster than a free-falling skydiver. Your face? Priceless. Mode 6, Custom Overlord. Mix and match. Want race suspension with quiet exhaust and snow tires? Go nuts. Save 10 presets. You're the CEO of chaos. But here's the secret sauce. Neural learning AI. The car studies your driving. Aggressive cornering, smooth highways, and auto-adjust modes to match your insanity. This isn't just sport or comfort. It's 1,600 horsepower with a PhD in reading your mind. So, could this be the most adaptive hypercar ever? Dramatic pause. Let's just say the Agera XS doesn't have driving modes. It has personalities. If your heart's racing right now, do us a favor. Smash that like button, because algorithms need love too. Subscribe if you want more content that turns petrol heads into obsessed petrol heads. Ring the bell so you'll never miss our next video. Koff Jesko versus Agera Koff. Drop a comment. Team Koenigsegg or Team Bugatti? Let's start with friendly.